In this video, we're going to go over how to use custom package sizes as well as do multiple package shipments. So the first step is we're going to make sure we select a carrier type that generates a label. And from there, I can come over and set my done quantities. So I've got a conference chair and I can only technically do one per box. So instead of marking all is done, I'm going to do just one. And then I can come over here and say put in package. It's going to pop up my box, and this time rather than pick a default package, I had to create a custom box for this because it's pretty big. So we're going to come in here and we're going to do, it's a 30-inch by 24 by 24, and the total weight is 15 pounds. So I can come in here and create a custom package type, go ahead and save that, and you can see it splits it out and puts my package details on here. I'm going to go ahead and mark the other one that I want to do is done and go to put in pack, and we'll repeat that process for the other one. Say maybe this is a slightly taller chair, so we ended up having to do 34 by 24 by 26, and we didn't get the exact same package size, and it's still, we'll say it's 16 pounds on this one, and go ahead and save that. So now you'll see I have two packages up here. If I click on packages again, you'll see both of them, they're marked as a custom package. And I can still do my get rate. And right now it's saying, hey, based on those sizes, you cannot use USPS. It didn't even return an option. You're going to have to use UPS ground, and it's super expensive. So I'm going to go ahead and say, okay, well, I guess we'll switch to UPS because one of my packages was bigger than allowed, or my total size was bigger than allowed. And now I can go ahead and validate. So it'll go through, generate the label, send out my email with my tracking details, and I can download my label here. And you'll see that this time it downloaded both labels. Sometimes you may have to give the browser permission to download multiple labels. It might pop up an error saying you need to give permission to download multiple items at the same time. Just make sure to give it permission, and then both of those labels will download as independent files, and you can go through and print both of them. You can again see the tracking details. It will show each package and the tracking label that goes with it. You have your tracking history, and each one technically has a tracking link that it can send out, and you can track each package independently. On canceling the shipping label, if I cancel it, see if I cancel it fast enough, it will cancel both of them. And now I can come back up here and it'll say send to shipper, and I can change any details about it. So let's go into my package, say this actually was only 14 pounds. Let's go ahead and save that. And now I can come back here and say send to shipper again, and it will regenerate new labels, cancel the old ones. And now I have my two new labels, and I can resend my tracking email with the updated tracking details.